A small cut. No antibiotics, no stitches, no hospital. For most of human history, that could actually kill you. Today, we barely think twice about a scraped knee, but for our ancestors, infection was one of the biggest silent killers there was. Anthropologists estimate that before modern medicine, something as simple as a tooth infection could spread and become fatal within days. So how did humans survive at all for hundreds of thousands of years without any of what we consider basic healthcare? Mostly, they didn't in huge numbers. Early human mortality was brutal. Many died young, and injuries that seem minor today were genuine death sentences. But the ones who survived relied on something surprisingly effective: plants. Long before chemistry existed as a science, humans built an enormous mental library of which plants reduce pain, which stopped bleeding, and which caused infections to fester even worse. This knowledge wasn't written down. It lived entirely in memory, passed from elder to child, generation after generation. Archaeologists have found evidence of medicinal plant use going back over 60,000 years. Willow bark, for example, containing the same compound found in modern aspirin. Wounds were often packed with specific plants, ash, or even honey, which actually has natural antibacterial properties, something we only scientifically confirmed centuries later. Setting broken bones, treating fevers, even early forms of what we'd now call surgery, evidence of skull surgery, called trepanation, dates back over 7,000 years, and some patients actually survived it. But the real survival tool wasn't any single remedy. It was the group itself. A sick or injured person alone in the wild died fast. A sick person surrounded by a tribe had someone to bring them food, water, and warmth, while their body tried to heal. Community wasn't just emotional support. It was literally life support. This is part of why isolation was so dangerous throughout human history. Not just socially, but physically. Being alone meant no one to help if things went wrong. Modern medicine replaced most of that need for us, but the instinct it left behind, that healing goes faster around people who care about you, never actually went away. So next time you're sick and someone checks in on you, know that instinct is a few 100,000 years old. Now you'll notice it everywhere, and that's a little bit of power you didn't have 5 minutes ago. Subscribe to Brain for more curious facts about the human mind and history. Explained simply every week.